The new year begins with family. Peace starts at home and grows through action. Peace begins in families. Service turns values into action. A new year, a shared responsibility. From family to community, small acts, shared future. Welcoming 2026, a year of service. Serving people, serving peace. 2026, International Year of Volunteers. Different cultures, shared values. One human family. UPF encourages families, youth and communities to enter the new year with renewed commitment to service.